the most important metric for your bestsellers rank. In this lesson, I'm going to cover what you need to do in order to increase your bestsellers rank. So how to potentially rank #1 on Amazon. So now, years ago, reviews and some other loopholes were used to manipulate Amazon's algorithm in order to skyrocket your book's ranking. But this isn't the case anymore. Giving your book out for free doesn't really help much when it comes down to influencing your bestseller rank. There are still gurus preaching to use this free promotional tactic as the end-all be-all way to influence your bestseller rank. The truth is, your bestseller rank is primarily influenced and solely dictated by sales. Thus, you need to drive your own traffic to your books. So drive traffic to your books. Sales is the single most important influencing factor when it comes to your sales ranking. Think about it. From the perspective of Amazon, they want to make money. They're a business at the end of the day. Therefore, they'll promote and reward books that sell very well on their platform, especially when you're driving your own external traffic to your books. Now, here are some fundamental things you need to nail. Amazon marketing, pay to play. We see more than ever Amazon shifting to the arena of pay to play, meaning you will need to bid for the hottest ranking keywords. The days of solely relying on organic ranking are fading away. So it's becoming more of a pay to play model where you're going to bid for the hottest keywords, right? Then we have premium book covers. So you want a high quality book cover design. So first impression counts. Quality content. So content remains king. So that's what's going to keep the longevity of your book. Because let's say you get Amazon marketing right, you have a good book cover, but the content of your book is subpar and the quality is not good. Well, you're going to get bombarded by one-star reviews, which is going to kill your book's ranking and sales. And then we have a compelling book description. So you want to make your book description like a sales page. So you want to consider your book description where Amazon provides, I believe it's 4,000 characters for a book description. You want to create it in such a way that it's like a sales page, that it functions like a sales page. Remember, specifying your customer avatar is what you need to do. So who is your target demographic? Don't make a generic book. You need to discriminate and have your book appeal to a certain segment of your audience. Don't try to have a book that's going to appeal to everybody, right? You need to have a book that's going to resonate to a specific group of people. Once your customer has purchased your book, identify another problem that they may be struggling with and upsell them your next book. For example, if you have a book on weight loss, perhaps your customers will be also interested in a meal prep guide book, or even products such as exercise equipment, supplements, and vitamins. So you need to really just think of your customer's journey and the things they may need along the way, or they may be interested along the way. So these are the fundamental sales and marketing skills you need to find success on Amazon going forward. Gone are the days of manipulating sales rank through free downloads and other loopholes. So in summary, go deep inside your niche you've selected, identify your customer problems, and solve them. So by doing so, your customers will become repeat buyers of your book series, and that will increase your bestsellers rank. And remember to drive traffic, whether it's through Amazon marketing internally or externally through other social media platforms. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.